Hello YouTube, we're about to put the new exhaust on. This is what it sounds like before. This is the stock setup. We're about to put a slip-on Powercore 4 FMF. Here's what it sounds like right now. Here's with the new. Here's how we're going to do the heat shield. We're going to cut the bracket off of the old exhaust and not weld it onto the new one, but you'll see how we'll put it on. But that's basically, we're just cutting this clamp off, not clamp, you know what I mean. And we're going to put that on the other one. Yeah. See, we just cut it off with this thing, and then this thing come off. See, now we just hit it off with a hammer. And now we're going to put some slots in it and then be able to wrap it around the other exhausts, and we'll figure out a way to put it. We can get that focus. Maybe. Oh. Anyway, that's it. Here's the next part. We're going to take the Dremel, and then to this little piece right here, we're going to make a slit vertical that way. So it that's where this clamp is going to go in, and that'll go around the muffler, and that'll keep it to the exhaust and not move around. And then that's how you're going to connect your old heat shield to the new slip-on FMF pipe. There we go. That's how we did it. We just cut that little slit on it, and there's with the clamp. Here it is now. It's complete. This is now using the original heat shield with the FMF Powercore 4 slip-on. You see we got the clamp right there, and that black piece we cut off the other exhaust. So that connects that one, and we're just using the original piece up here because we didn't change that. But we've been working on that part, and then there's what it looks like now. Of course, you got the spark arrestor in there, and it looks sweet now. Should be just about ready to fire up. Here it is. We're outside. You heard it just a minute ago with the stock exhaust for y'all, which is, I believe, in about 2 hours. But here's what it sounds like now.